How to sign out of your Google account. Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily sign out of your Google account from your Android device. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. So in order to sign out your account from your Android device, you first need to open up your phone settings, and from here you want to head over to Google and tap on Google Services. If you find your account and backup on top, you just have to tap on it. And from here, you will find this option, Manage Accounts. Now here you will see a list of all of the available accounts on this device. You will just have to find the account that you want to remove or sign out from. Tap right here, and you will see this big Remove Account button. Tap on it and just tap on this Remove Account to confirm, and you will be signed out of everywhere you've signed in. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.